Big up Crosses TV.
Big up Crosses TV. All of the Crosses, girl, them.
Them say baby father walk around in the house with him dead in a boxers.
Oh. So, is this something that was a hearsay, or is it something?
Them blood clot too, yeah.
Brother, I did straight out. We wouldn't say anything Starburst when me never see with me too, yeah. Me dey on blood clot, the video call with Candy.
So why Mela underneath your picture, I put I underneath your picture, Nicola?
A blood clot walk around in the house. And me say, hold on, and Nelly that.
People, it's like 43 of you guys over here. I do sell pepper shrimp, state to state shipping, next day shipping. Yes, you do pay for the shipping cost, and you also order your pepper shrimp. But you could go over to Tasty's Delight to place your order, or you can also place your order right here at Starburst. Okay, the best pepper shrimp in South Florida so far.
Man, Candy, I take cocky, man. But Jody, I take other people, man, and get spot around our lip, man.
Who's Jody?
Oh, fly is Jody.
Lifeline, man.
Oh, okay. So she called herpes, or just? I'm sorry.
I don't know where she catch.
It's a cold sore.
I don't know where she catch. I don't know them kind of thing there, but remember how much time she complained upon the line. She said it in a Starburst, how much time she complained about it come around her lip.
Oh, okay.
I don't know where it called.
Maybe she had an allergic reaction. What's up, Chanel? She probably had an allergic reaction, or it can also be cold sore, which, you know, I mean, yeah.
I don't know. Ask me.
So have you had interactions with them, like sexually with anyone?
No.
But you were friends with them?
Brother, them call it friends, but you see when people are do fuckery, you can't tell them say them are do fuckery.
The story of my life.
You understand? Okay. You know them on that, brother.
Okay. Well, if anybody wants to cuss me today, they can cuss me because I'm going to be very busy this week, so I won't be able to like that.
After you have to tell them, they have to make an appointment for me to respond to them.
I have time today, you know.
Yeah.
Travis said that herpes, anything around the mouth corner is considered herpes. Someone said cold sore is herpes symptom. Simplex, sorry.
Them try send dirty kill time, them try send for me. Me laugh, brother.
Yeah, but then I'm not gonna be a peacemaker because I get cussed to being a peacemaker. But what I'm saying is that I only represent one person over here, and she paid me very well. She's right there. Her name is Too Sweet. I don't represent anyone else on the internet. I haven't had courthouse since last year.
Butterfly.
I hear a judge. I hear a friend say you might need to bring her. Then them say fly asleep with people husband and I go and so people baby father and I ask for decent. I'm confused.
Fly underneath her
when in Jamaica, you know the girls like myself from uptown, you know, the ones that's kind of, look okay and ish and stuff like that. Sneaky-ish.
Hold on, Starburst, Jamaica. Jamaica. Jamaica come from Jamaica.
No, you come from Jamaica, but you say, you know them.
Sorry, I didn't read the comments. Oh no, when me not answer, I not read the comments.
You know,
another thing, because I went through my side messages. And Blair, don't call me and tell me for tell Crosses TV for take. No, don't stop telling me for take. I don't know who Crosses TV is, you know.
Crosses TV.
I don't think somebody can call him and tell him for take down shit. Wanna leave me alone.
And I
Sunday, Sasha,
Crosses TV, left Crosses TV alone.
TV, if it's do not post it. So.
What's up, Sasha? Sunflower.
Hey, Sasha. You know what make me not say no. Me not
No,
say nothing.
Sunflower is like she a true word about liar. Me don't need liar. So me don't know she
Sasha
a
do
talk about she
nothing.
only represent one person like me here. Me not look
It
for
don't
No,
that.
me
feel
never that
Sasha.
show me where you see me throw my come, me never can't afford like you, Momo, ever pick up me blood clot, come them show
Me
up.
not look
Why,
for
Momo?
me not look up. Me not look.
Momo, I'm talking about clientele right there. Me don't want to have a clientele. You can't buy clientele. You can't pay me like how Nicola can't pay me.
Hey there.
They come up and ask me question though, but the dirty girl them afraid, man. Make
Tell
them go on.
Candy Chef pay me £50
But
if she
in
wanna
the
come up.
UK and in the States, I don't think enough for really, you know. But if I saw, you know, just have to
Them
do.
want bring it over
Listen, the
everywhere,
other
You
man.
day,
put up them
Starboard,
roses,
hear me,
up them
Starboard. I hate calling you
roses up
Starboard.
here.
Chrissy, the other day, they was bringing this nigga down as if he was lying like the picture fake.
Oh,
They was
oh,
bringing Two Real down and turned around and looked at me and said, I'm only taking up for him because he called me auntie. I said, nah, nigga. Anytime he's exposed anybody, he has been solid. And
right.
the fact of the matter yesterday was, this is what I was trying to show Shorty yesterday. Me, I try to tell us, brother, whatever, una lesbian. Your woman don't want to talk about it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fly, that would I be like, all right. That would I be like me and Nicola catch up.
Mm-hmm.
Nicola said, Ma, me not want to talk about it because it's embarrassing. Me, I did a fight and like, more, I'm a bust up. Nicola bust up my face. So me, I said, Nicola, me not want to talk about it. So let me tell everybody what really happened now, because we tell lie and say you never bust up my face. Or a fake picture, right? So
Yeah.
no, the next morning, no, you got live. No call like itch up on your live now. Man, you know,
Mm-hmm.
you're not supposed to itch up on nobody live because Too Real, because Too Real, I don't want to expose the story.
Right.
So me, I said to Candy, say, if you know, say you want Too Real, know your real business. Because I go so far for hide and tell lie and make it seem like him crazy. And your woman said she just don't want to talk about this. She's an internet person. Even if Fly across Too Real, I say my pink dots. Where the fuck you as a woman know in a relationship cock up over there? Make Fly cost Too Real by himself. You don't respect your woman. Because
Right.
now you're going to make people talk about it.
Yeah.
Instead of
But
trying to make
then,
the world stop. Yeah,
but
Candy. So
you
that's what
always
happened
said,
yesterday. So
but
now she
Momo,
and
you
my
always
supposed to talk about,
said,
oh, it is, it's my business, but I'm not supposed to talk about nobody else on. Like she don't understand the fucking concept. I hate when Candy act like she's not intellectual to understand reasoning.
right, what's up, Diary? But the
That
thing is, you always say that they want to know
Big up,
people, what
bye.
some of these people do is they always want to know other
my
people's
diary.
business. When it comes to their business, they tend to want to cover it up.
No, me I get
Me
cuss from
just
left
not
to right.
like
What's up, Bobby D?
a bare badness, them did that talk, you understand me? And then you see when me have enough fight and me start talk
Yeah.
badness,
But I know
everybody
I'm post
start
this morning about
afraid.
I can't be in business. That's the problem, Candy. Sour Candy, you're in everybody's
Afraid.
business. You're in everybody's business. And the one little story where I feel one know, you want to hide and tell people say, Too Real I tell lie. No, but one day now your blood clot business too when you and your woman a fight. And then if we know how to respect, because Mr. Katari is not on the internet, Mr. Alright, I'm fall back and allow it up. Fly across Too Real when all I hear business you cock up over there. And then she go over check
What?
what across me yesterday with her little scrawny body self. I know me not answer. Me just a lick you with
Really
real
up,
facts and
Bobby.
truth. No, you want
Right.
disrespect me. Me not understand. No, you want disrespect me because me I tell you
Oh,
say it don't look good what you're doing. Katari acts. So now he exposing you. You're lesbian. Oh, your baby father walk around in a boxers in a house. Me not understand.
so wait, the baby father lived there,
Live
or he just went?
where?
Really weird.
He must come
Baby
and take care
father,
of him, do him
come
fatherly
over.
duties and take care of the penny them and drop dick off. And that Too Real basically I say.
Oh, wow.
Weird.
That was yesterday she was cussing me, Carla. Sour Candy.
Wow.
Auntie Momo, me tell them to leave me
I know, and
alone. Me
it's
no
like Too
want
Real
in
black
a
them out
day.
and avoid them. Them still I bring up Too Real a pink dots and Too Real no.
No,
Too
but
Real I
he did
call
that
Fly
that
Jody
with
by her
Fly
first
Fly,
blood
and
clot
then
name. I say
Fly Fly, he went
she
up
a
and say
fuck
he
people
was gay.
husband. Me I said no, I can't believe. Although me can't believe say fly. No husband I fuck people baby father. Fly will act like she have relationship advice to everybody. That's what I'm telling you say. Before you follow some of them gal ya go jump out one and limp on in a relationship cause she make it seem like say she uppity and certain thing now go on. So I was very concerned when I hear these things.
I would be
why they want come out for me all of the time?
I would be too. But you know, the reason why they said that is because Chipper did run the joke. But I tell everybody, you can't, not all the time you can take Chipper serious.
But
because
Chipper come out and tell everybody, say, I me say it, I want to run with it, fucking idiot. Him said that. Yesterday, alright, it come to the point day before yesterday, them I make 2 Real look crazy, you know. People are saying Photoshop and 2 Real mix up and everybody I try come down party me. I said, wait. At the end of the day, I don't give a fuck what y'all say. 2 Real has been solid out here in IG Street.
Yeah.
Because he when he exposed ya, he ain't never lied. Oh, 2 Real, 2 liar, this and that, and a true, I'm a nephew, may I take up for him, maybe I want to fuck 2 Real, I'm a man. Yeah, then, I said, no, a year man, 2 Real, a fear man, because when your girl blood clot lick you, a 2 Real, you blood clot call.
People, order your pepper shrimp at Tasty's Delight. They do next day shipping, state to state.
Yeah, your pepper shrimp,
international. You can also purchase it here as well. If you're in South Florida, we do delivery. Okay.
The things straight, Carla. Me talk the things, brother.
Let's go again.
I just thought. Then she under my comments now. Oh, I take dick now, and it's okay for y'all to be in my business. You don't, Candy. We don't know your business. We're not talking about you. We talking about your friend that's in her business. But your head is so far up fly pussy that you don't realize every time fly starts shit, we never end with fly. We always end with you. We don't really fuck with her like that. We don't fuck with her like that. Let's be honest. We don't know her business. We know your fucking business.
About fly in her business and she fuck whatever man she want fuck and catch what she want.
Bitches is talking about they fucking niggas and catching bumps on their lips. Nigga, I don't argue with y'all bitches. Y'all bitches could never give me no advice. When I hear y'all talking about people relationship, y'all bitches can't give me advice, nigga. Y'all bitch, no bitch that no nigga, you rolling up weed all fucking day from sun up to sundown with no nigga next to you. I ain't never hear no nigga. These niggas know I jump off this shit when my nigga come in.
Candy say she not like the dildo. She like the real thing, a real cocky candy like.
I said a long time ago, I really don't think she's a lesbian. I think after men was hurting her, she just turned as a comfort, thinking that it would be different, and they're actually the same thing. Being with a woman, 2 women is worse. That's a lot of estrogen. That's a lot of feelings. That's a lot of jealousy. I don't give a fuck. I always say when I see bitches go and be with girls, I feel like that is a female that is confused. Because if you want to dress up and fuck somebody that dress up as a boy and they fucking you with a dildo, you might as well go be with a man. That shit is weird as fuck to me, and I don't give a fuck. And I always say that shit.
Downstairs.
If I'm lying, I'm dying. If I'm lying, Antimo, I am dying. Strike me down.
No, say you're not lying. I said that.
I tell you, when me see it, me I say, Candy, I want to go on your so why Nelly I walk around in your boxes in your house? So where the blood clot Katari there?
So you did ask her?
But me say, where Katari
so
there? I don't know Katari I work. Katari I work. Me say, big up yourself, Nelly.
You talk to the man?
Auntie Mo be tell it to me and talk to Nelly.
So when Katari there I work, Shaq man I walk around in the box. Come here and say, don't Katari don't live there.
Katari don't live there.
Treat of them India do no crosses TV. It look like say
no when cat gone rat take charge.
I'm dying. Auntie Mo, if I'm lying, brother, strike me
I gotta deal with that girl and me a lesbian. Me I gotta deal with that girly girl. Me not gonna deal with nobody with dress up like boy and a remote. My wall with hey dildo. dildo material rough, you know, in a bill for nobody pussy take dildo every blood clot time, you know, like how we take real old, you know. I don't care what nobody say, you know. All when me did a fuck blood clot pussy the one time I see the dildo liquor in some place after 5 stroke. Me I said, you're not supposed to take this like this, you know. Me wouldn't even want a dildo pussy every day, me not gonna lie.
That's cool.
Imagine you're just a take dildo. You might as well be with a fucking woman then. I mean a man. After a while, that crazy. That you cannot tell me that is not a man-made thing. After a while, you're all I forget, done out, stressed out, and get it's not made for that, bro.
Mama is
to the man.
And then if you take dildo like that so much, you're gonna want to feel a real blood clot. And shit. Remember, say 6 feet the candy having a candy love fucking up. Me love blood clot fucking. This is 5 my have. You think candy can just turn off that hood feeling there? She go want that hood there. She go want hood again.
We never know say a 6 feet deep candy have anything.
Oh, a 6? Sorry.
I think I only 2, the boy and the girl.
No, Candy says she have 6 feet. Where the fuck you talk about?
Blood clot.
Weird.
6.
You know what? Me done. Never mind. We do with me, you know, me not talk about kids. But she always says she has 6 kids. And if I'm lying, if I'm making a mistake, I apologize. I swear Candy says she have 6 kids.
No, man. Not only 2 me Candy have.
Huh?
The boy and the girl. Me don't know where the other 4 come from.
How much kids she always say she have?
Yo, my phone is ringing on.
No, the caller. Yeah. No, anybody. How much candy always say she have? Huh?
To be honest, I don't know.
I thought she said she have 6 kids.
No, 2. No,
I don't know.
A girl.
Children and
5.
I swear she have 6 pitney. Or if I ask somebody, me hear them ask. Huh?
2.
When we talk all the time, she always say 6 picnic. I'm always remember. She said she have 6 and
I don't know where the 4 them
so what?
Papa.
Me a while out. Me not make up things coming. No, she always say she have 6 picnic.
Oh man, me never. Judah's got 5.
Weird. Come here, Judah.
I think.
I don't know. I swear she always says she have 6 kids.
Oh man, not 2 me always here.
She all in a field with age group. Well, my age group, not yours. No, she like will talk her says she have 6 picnic. No, I don't think she about Fluffy. You see why them black out your blood clot the other day, Fluffy. You get a ruling from where you never use usually you watch on the type. Stop type it. Come and see them try running by you the other day. When nobody running by you.
I don't know about that still anti-mode. That I want to.
Sunflower said boy and girl. I swear she told me she have 6 kids, bro.
That's 6 anti-mode. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Well, you Cam too?
Yeah.
No, I have to come fix this up for me. Because I don't make up things in my head. Me swear Candy says she have 6 picnic. And me say 6. And she like, I have 6 kids and I still fucking look good.
So,
Okay, you know, everybody busy in England sometime. Matter of fact, I'm going to call your name because I don't want them call your blood clot name because that would be a funeral service. It don't make no sense. Never mind. No, so you're not business, though.
No, auntie, man. Me sure say a 2 man because me always hear the girl and the boy.
Bro, I swear I heard Candy say she have 6 kids. I even cuss her. So when I cussed her out last time, I tell her she did. I said, yeah, and bitch, I have how much kids? And look at my body, bitch. She remember she did call me, say my body wagga wagga.
Yeah, I know about that.
I'm confused.
I know about that, but definitely no. I don't know, man. So I can do.
Dirty love son.